Hello everyone. So today we're going to take a look at some of the services running on your Amazon Web Server. And to do this, what we're going to do is we're going to install a software program called Apache. Now Apache is a very popular HTTP web server. Since we're going to be installing a new program, we'll want to first run sudo apt update. And it's going to ask for the password. And it's going to check for any possible upgrades to your system. And it may take a minute depending on when the last time you ran this was. And as you can see at the bottom, it says 12 packages can be upgraded, and it tells you what to do to run it. So now we're going to do sudo apt upgrade, and it's going to pull together a list of what it's upgrading, and it's going to tell you how many is being upgraded and not newly installed software, and how much space it's going to take up, and it will ask you, are you sure you want to continue? So we'll hit yes to continue. So now we're going to actually install Apache. I'm going to type in sudo apt install Apache, and it's going to ask if you're sure. Why to continue. Congratulations, you now have Apache 2 installed on your Amazon web server. Now your regular Amazon server is a web server, and we can test that by going to your Amazon instance page. Go to your instance page, copy the public IPv4 address, go to a new tab, open a search box, and paste it in and go. And you have a web page for your Amazon server now. Installing Apache is pretty simple. You just pull it from the app install database. But what does Apache really do? Apache provides a service for HTTP access on your server. If you want to check on the service of Apache, you simply type in sudo system control status Apache, and as you can see, it says it is active and running. And it says it's been up for 4 minutes and 28 seconds because we literally just installed it. System control allows us to interact with the services that are running on our server to start, stop them, check the status of them, different things like that. For example, we can stop Apache, sudo system control stop Apache, and then to make sure it's stopped, sudo system control status Apache. And as you can see, it says it's inactive and dead since 9 seconds ago when we stopped it. And we can restart it. Sudo system control start Apache. And to make sure it's running, sudo status, sudo system control status Apache. And it's active and running from about 14 seconds ago. And we'll go back to the web page and make sure it's up and running. Now you can always look up the man page for system control. And as you can see, it's a service control, and we can use start to activate one or more units specified on the command line, and we can stop deactivate, or we can restart if we need to apply any changes to something that we're running. And enabled makes sure that the service restarts every time that the server restarts. And here we have disabled, which is the opposite. It doesn't automatically start the service if the system's restarted. You have to actually go in and tell system control to start it. And that's kind of some of the basics that you can do with system control. It can be used with other services. For example, if you want to do sudo system control status SSH, for example. You can see that SSH is running, and it's only been on for 36 minutes because my system's been off for a while. So now let's open up the config file for Apache. Sudo vi /sc/apache 2/apache 2. This is the main configuration file for Apache. You can see it has configurations for ports, for modules, and for sites. What you see here is a generic page that came with installing Apache onto your server. If you want to change that, you would vi the file at sudo vi/r//www/html/index.html HTML. And what you see here is the background code for the splash screen that we just saw for the Apache server. And there's a lot of stuff here. And we are going to delete everything from the top down. And now we're going to insert our own HTML. Now that we have the simpler version of the splash screen, we are going to save it, and we'll go back to our web page, refresh the web page, and look, welcome to my website. So it worked. Now we can check to see if that happened in log, VIing the log at var /log /Apache 2 /access. Now, all of these are instances of me using Firefox. Visit our HTTP server. And that was it for today. We looked at how to use system control to view the statuses of apps that are running on the program, different systems, and how to interact with them. Be sure to hit the like button and click subscribe so you'll know next time I post a video. And in the comment section, let me know any other videos you'd like to see. Thank you, guys.